let me get into it. What is up, you guys, and welcome back to the channel. It's your boy Benny back at it again. You guys, today's the big reveal. We got the big reveal. We got one comment that actually got it right. That one comment is like that one comment. So anyways, without much further ado, let me just show off the truck and then we will go from there.
Great truck, huh, partner?
Yeah.
We want a truck that'll last. Something to rely on. Hey, you know the Campbells down the street? They've had a Toyota for years. They still love it. You know, this truck's got it all. Toyota, that's all you need to know. You understand what I'm saying?
You like this truck?
Yes. Toyota! We love it!
Alright guys, this is my 1989 Toyota pickup that I recently got, and let me kind of show off and go through a little bit about it and show off what it's about. I really don't have much plans for it. It's gonna stay like this. There's not much that I'm gonna change. I like how it looks. There's just a couple things that I'm gonna change, but nothing too crazy. I'm just gonna basically clear the lights and do the Rhino line, the back, the trunk. So anyways, let me show you a couple things. Let me show it off real quick. So let me just show off a couple things. Obviously, you guys see the front end right here. This is a bumper to a not a RAV4, 4Runner. There's a bumper to a 4Runner. This swapped out, which is really cool that you could do with these trucks. You could swap out a lot. There's a lot of interchangeable parts with the 4Runners, as far as what I was told. And over here we got some, I don't know the wheels. That is one thing. I do not know what these wheels are, but they came with the truck. They look pretty cool. I like them. They're fine. I'm gonna leave them on there. There's not much that I'm gonna change on those. So that's really cool. The back part, this whole trunk right here is gonna get Rhino lined. So this is all gonna, I'm gonna have to clean all this rust out and Rhino line it, because I'm gonna make it look new, fresh, give it a whole new fresh look. Right here we got this cool 76 gas station little thing. It's pretty cool. I just leave it on there. I think someone's gonna steal that one day, but I'm gonna leave it for as long as I can leave it till. And then of course I had to brand it. We got the new Never Satisfied decal. We had a rebrand. And then the interior, I don't have the keys to it right now. Forgot the keys and I really don't feel, I gotta go. It's just pretty basic, simple, clean. Integra, those are Integra seats. Those are really clean. They're really clean. No tears, no nothing. It's manual stick shift. It's just a simple interior, nice and simple. For the interior, we're gonna do one thing, which is swap out the cluster. It's gonna get switched out with a 4Runner cluster, because the cluster that it has right now, the odometer and everything kind of just went to shit. So we're gonna switch that out. That's one cool thing. What much more to say about this truck? It is a tank of a truck. This truck is like, I don't want to say it's really sought out for, but a lot of people like this truck, and it's a truck that's really indestructible in a sense. Like it really it's a really good economical truck. So the main purpose for this truck though is I am going to be doing side jobs for what I do, and what I do is I replace windshields. So this is going to be like my side truck like job stuff, where I put my windshields and get all around and all that stuff. So what?
My side job truck for windows.
So not unless I get a really good offer for it, you know, money talks. If anybody is interested, what else to say about the truck? I don't know. It's just a nice, simple truck. I really like it. It's cool. It's fresh. It's hippity hoppity hoopity hop. That's a bee right there. That is just, it died, unfortunately. Is its head gone?
Yeah.
Its head is gone? No, it's just curled up in a bunch. Okay. Like I said, there's a lot of stuff that I'm gonna switch out. I'm not gonna modify it. Oh, it is lowered, obviously, by the looks of it. What it's lowered on, I'm not exactly sure. I know the guy took out like one of the springs, one of those springs in the back that all the trucks have. Something like, I don't know, I forgot the name of them. Leaf springs, I think. Leaf springs. He took out one of the leaf springs. I think it's the leaf springs. I don't know. He took out one of the, I don't know how he does it. But yeah, I think it's the leaf springs. If I'm right, just if I'm not right, let me know in the comments down below. If I am, I mean, we leave it at that, you know. But Yes, I just the thing is like he told me all this info about it and everything he kind of did to it, and you could kind of see what he did to it, but I was just kind of like, it was like love at first sight again, and I was just like, I just like everything he told me kind of went 1 year throughout as far as like what he had done to it. Mechanically, it is fucking good mechanically. Like it's really good mechanically. There's no issues, no check engine lights, no problems, no oil leaks, no nothing. It's good so far. So I'm really excited. I'm really happy about it. Like I said, this truck is not a truck that I'm gonna modify, do anything crazy to it. It's gonna stay the way it is because it's just gonna be like my side job truck, daily thing. Yeah. So this is it. Yeah. Also, if you need a windshield in San Diego, let me know. I'm the guy. Best prices in town. Best work in town. All around. All right, and that is it, you guys. This is, like I said, is my 1989 Toyota pickup. What I'm gonna do with it? Not much. Just change out a couple things here and there. A project? Not really. This is more for like other business stuff. So, thank you all for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Peace. Happy holidays. Crusty little cat. Messing up my car.